The create similar command, which you can find, for example, here at the top of the screen in the quick access toolbar, this one, allows you to quickly pick up any sort of item's properties, and using the drawing commands, you can just simply draw a new item inheriting those properties. Let's see a quick example to that. I will just pick up the properties of this wall, for example. I will use this switch to switch to the wall, and then I start the create similar command. So I'm actually creating a wall similar to this with its properties, and I will just, for example, click here, and I will draw a 300mm wide wall, and all the rest of the properties are also matching. Now, actually, instead of this, I would like to create a partition wall. So let's repeat what we have just learned. I click on the prototype. I would like to use this as a prototype, and then I click on the create similar, and then I start drawing the wall, which has a thickness of 100mm. I find the perpendicular point, I hit escape, and then now using the same command but a different prototype, I created a totally new wall with the same properties. This command can be used for any other item, so you can use them for walls, for lines, for slabs, and many other items. If you already have one on your drawing, just select it and use the create similar command.